How to explain technology stack while writing technical white papers. Hello, today I'm excited to walk you through the complex process of effectively explaining technology stack in technical white papers, which is a critical component for any tech-oriented communication document. As someone deeply involved in the fields of blockchain, AI, and machine learning, I understand the pivotal role a well-articulated technology stack plays in simplifying complex solutions and promoting stakeholder confidence. Let's explore how to master this skill. Based on my experience of drafting pivotal technology documents and consulting for global tech leaders, I've focused on not just understanding, but also clearly explaining the layers and integrations within the technology stack. This ensures clarity and alignment with strategic business objectives. While working on a blockchain project that required a detailed explanation of its underlying technology in a white paper intended for potential investors, my challenge was to make the technical content accessible and compelling. Hence, I structured the technology stack into three primary components. First, the infrastructure layer, which included all hardware and foundational software needed to run the core blockchain nodes. Second, the protocol layer, wherein I defined the various cryptographic protocols and consensus algorithms that ensure network security and integrity. Last, the application layer as the top layer that housed the actual applications that run on the blockchain, which are also known as dApps, or the decentralized applications, wherein each application is tailored to meet specific business needs. To understand this further, consider a blockchain designed for healthcare data management. In this case, the infrastructure layer would consist of secure servers compliant with healthcare regulations. The protocol layer would manage patient data transactions, ensuring privacy and integrity, and the application layer would provide interfaces for healthcare providers to access and analyze the data securely. Therefore, to effectively communicate complex tech solutions through your white papers, always start with a clear, structured explanation of your technology stack. This not only enhances understanding, but also builds the confidence of your stakeholders in the solution's viability and effectiveness. If you're looking to enhance your technical documents or need advice on structuring your technology stack, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or visit my website by clicking on the link below. Let's turn your technical complexities into compelling stories that resonate with your audience. Thank you for joining me today.